Hi, this is Kamal, the owner and property acquisition of Quality Properties of Northwest Florida. First, I'd like to welcome you to our website and to congratulate you of taking the first step in selling your home fast. Our company has helped a lot of homeowners over the years who were facing difficult situations like foreclosures, tax delinquency, probate, divorce, houses need a lot of repairs, and many other situations. We buy houses in as-is condition, in any condition, and any situations. Our process doesn't include appraisal or home inspection. Like a buyer, when he's getting a loan, typically the lender require to hire a home inspector where they do a thorough inspections to find any minor or major repairs. Then they come back at you, the seller, with a list of repair items where you pay at your own expense with that before you even collect a dollar or before they even proceed to closing. We also don't do any obligate you with a long-term contract like realtors do, typically 6 months without guarantee that they actually going to sell the house for you. And you don't pay for any realtor commission fee, and we also pay for all expenses associated with selling your home, including closing costs. Our foundation was built on integrity, transparency, and efficiency, and our goal is to get your frustration and stress away and get you in a better situation and place than you were before. You can reach us out by simply filling the form in our website or by call me at 850-346-4995. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.